It's our first morning here in Hawaii on this trip, and we've got a room that looks out over. There's a golf course on the other side of these woodlands here, little woodland. And it's raining at the moment. We're up at a higher elevation, and a couple of nene here came to say hi. I don't know if you can hear them. They have a soft voice, but it's kind of a soft moo sound they make, kind of. For those that don't know, of course, that nene is an endangered endemic species that, tens of thousands of years ago, some Canadian geese got lost and came to Hawaii and ended up staying here, and they evolved. They stay on the ground most of the time. And there they go. The turkeys were chasing the nenes here. The nenes went up to the golf course. What? Oh, there's another. Oh,
it's the same ones. They're right there.
Oh, okay. Oh, they're still right there. Well,
They don't bother the chickens as much. It's more raptors.
The turkeys have left, so the nenes are coming back now. They're checking to see if we threw any. By their behavior, it's pretty obvious that people here in these condos have fed them, and which is a bad thing. You shouldn't feed the nenes because, because if you feed them, they become used to people, and then what happens is they'll walk up to people in parking lots, which is not a safe place for a nene. They don't move too fast usually, and a car might back over them. So, yeah, somebody here threw out some bread. They're not terribly fascinated by it. Maybe you could hear the noise they're making. We're near the top of the Waikaloa Village Road, and this is that's Mauna Kea, and hopefully you can see a little snow up there on top. And over there, way off in the distance, oops, where'd it go? There it is. Way off in the distance there is Mauna Loa, and it looks to me like there's a little bit of snow on top. There's been snow on both of the big mountains, Mauna Kea and Mauna Loa. They're both over 13,000 feet. And I think there's a little snow in Mauna Loa. And as I spin around over there, underneath those clouds is Haleakala, and all the way over in this direction is Kohala. Thank you, Kathy. Kohala Mountain. And there's some lumpy bumps on top there, some old cinder cones. And then there's some little white things down there. Those are windmills. They're putting in more and more alternate energy on the Big Island. And Kathy says we've got clouds over Haleakala. Off in that direction there across the water, the closest other Hawaiian island is Maui, and Haleakala is this next biggest mountain. It's over 10,000 feet, and on a good day you can, from here or from any place on the west side of Kohala, you can see Haleakala on the horizon off in the distance there. I'm going to spin back over here to Mauna Kea again. Okay.